This just seen, President of Uganda Law Society Isaac Ssemakade has just been summoned to the Chief Magistrate's Court to answer for the crimes that have been put against him. But before we continue, this video is powered and sponsored by UNISERV. What is UNISERV? Want a master's degree? Want a bachelor's degree in the United States, in Europe, in India, wherever it is? UNISERV is an institution which connects intending students or students to outside universities abroad who either want a bachelor's degree or a master's degree at a very affordable rate. But here is the kicker. On the 29th of January, this coming week, we have it that UNISERV has organized an affair where you're going to interact with 60 plus universities across the globe, where you'll be able to interact with them, get to know the universities of your choice, get to know the course of your choice. And here is the kicker. You're going to find the link in the description below where you can be able to click that link and be able to register for the upcoming fair, which will be happening on the 29th of January. Well, in this edition of Legal News Daily, I'm going to discuss everything concerning what Ssemakade did to be able to have these charges put against him, and most importantly, what is the future for Ssemakade, who is the president of Uganda Law Society. Welcome to Legal News Daily. I'm your usual host, Terry Kalma, on this channel, and straight to the point. We all know that our beloved president of Uganda Law Society, Isaac Ssemakade, last year got into a very controversial issue where he insulted the Director of Public Prosecution, who is Jane Abodo. Who is Jane Abodo? She is the Director of Public Prosecution who is empowered under Article 120 of the Constitution, which clearly stipulate the powers of the Director of Public Prosecution. This is someone who institutes cases against known criminals, known people who have committed a lot of crimes against the country. So in most cases, Uganda versus, let's say, John or Mary or whoever you are. Now, straight to the point, Isaac Ssemakade, in accordance with Section 115 of the Penal Code Act, it is stated that he insulted the person of the DPP, or he insulted the modesty of a woman. Now, this case was instituted by two controversial lawyers, who is Bia Mazima and also Tumukonde. Now, we have it that this case has been going on from December, and we find that Ssemakade also put in his defense. But according to the Chief Magistrate, who is called Kaizi, he has now issued out summons ordering Ssemakade to be able to appear in court on the 29th of January. Now, is this legal? Yes. According to the Magistrates Court Act, we find it that Kaizi stated in his summons to Ssemakade, stated that I am summoning you in court because still a person can institute a criminal proceeding against you, and even if you do not file your particulars or defense, and even if you're not present, still you have to be able to answer for the crimes put against you. So, in accordance with the Magistrates Court Act and in accordance with the Penal Code Act, Isaac Ssemakade has been summoned to court to be able to answer for insulting the modesty of a woman, who is Jane Abodo. So let's just see where things go moving forward concerning our dear president of Uganda Law Society, Isaac Ssemakade. Will he again appear in court? Will he file in his defense, or will he come up with an ingenious trick up his sleeve where he'll be able to answer for insulting the DPP? Well, please don't forget to be able to attend the fair that is happening on the 29th of January 2025 at the golf course